Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got this Jeep Grand Cherokee here. This is a 2018 model, but if you have the same Jeep or Dodge, doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to replace this brake light bulb right here. It does have like a little film down here. So if you need to replace any of these bulbs, turn signal bulbs, it's all in here. As you can see, that side is working. It's hard to see that little corner, but it's working. And that one's working, but this one is not working, okay? So what I did was I just pressed the brake pedal with the stick. So I am going to turn on the light. As you can see, there's a bulb in here. So okay, you see that? There's bulbs in here. So there's few bulbs in here. If you want to change these bulbs, turn signal bulb, and bulb down here, it's all together, okay? So I removed my stick now. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up this trunk and we're going to replace that bulb. I'm going to show you the bulb, the size of that bulb for the brake light. And let's get this thing on. Okay guys, so first let's open up this trunk. So once we open the trunk up, we're going to be looking right down here. Okay, let me stand up my camera properly and let me set everything up. Okay, just to let you know, the procedure is same for the opposite side. So what we need to do is remove these two clips. You could use a flathead screwdriver or a pick, not a pick, a fork like that. Okay, so if you need to twist these, sometimes they're facing like sideways. Look, you see I cannot get to it. You can twist these. They're a little rough, but you can just turn them and they will face upward. And then you're gonna go in there, you're gonna wiggle this guy or a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna try to pull this clip out of there, okay, just like that. So the clip will come out just like that, okay. And then this is a pretty expensive light. You do not want to damage it. So another thing you're gonna do is you're gonna second clip right there, very simple, and the clip will come out. We can put that to the side. All right, so next what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to bring my camera a little bit to this direction right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this light outward, okay? Pretty much this way. You cannot pull it that way, you will break it, okay? So put your hands here, try to wiggle it a little bit. And sometimes it's a little rough. Let me get around. Let's see if I can get around. And eventually it will come out. Okay, not so easy, but it is gonna come out. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's back there, okay? All right, so I got this out. So I want to show you what's back there, okay? Let me bring my camera a little bit closer and fix up the lighting. Okay, right back here, you have these two little grooves, and that's where these two little guys right here and this sticks in there, okay? So, but what we're gonna do is to replace these bulbs, you have 1, 2, 3 bulbs, okay? So let's pull out this fat one here is your brake light bulb. So pretty much the bulb is let me pull out this bulb. See, there's a size number on it. Okay, so there's a number here, 3157. It's a dual flare bulb, okay? Dual flare bulb. So I'm gonna go get another bulb. All right, guys. So I got a new bulb here, 3157. It's a dual flare bulb. If you put a single flare bulb, your fuse is gonna blow, okay? And then you're gonna have no light probably on either side. Okay, then you need to check your fuses because single flare will short circuit the circuits in there, okay? But 3157 is the bulb. Just make sure the correct bulb size, there's a number there. Okay, once you get the correct bulb, you can put it this way or that way, okay? Doesn't matter which way you're gonna put, okay? And then all you do, you stick it in there. Notice, I did touch the bulb, so try to get a rag or something to clean this bulb because once you touch it, it will shorten its life. So after that, you're going to take this bulb, find the little slots where it belongs, and you just turn it clockwise. You do the same thing for the other two bulbs. There's a bulb in here. Okay, this might be bulb. Okay, this is internal light. It's not a bulb. It's an internal light. That's the hole. Once that go bad, that's the lighting that goes around here. Okay, and then we got another small little bulb here. Let's see if there's a size or what is in there. Okay, this one is a single flare bulb. Okay, this might be your reverse light. Okay, I believe this is a reverse light. Okay, and the size on this one is there's no number. It's a single flare bulb. Okay, there's no number here. Okay, but I'm not changing this one, so I'm gonna put this one back together. Once you get this bulb, it doesn't matter this way or that way. It can go either way, okay? If it was directional, then it wouldn't fit in there. You would be forcing it in there. And once you put that in, all you're gonna do is you're gonna find the slots and turn it clockwise. To put this light back, you're gonna just align everything. It's only gonna sit in one spot, so make sure you align everything. And after that, you are just gonna push it and it's gonna click in. And then you're gonna come back around this way. You're gonna come back around here. And very simple. I am gonna put one clip in, drop the second one. Let me pick it up. And then I am gonna go inside and push on the brake lights. Okay, it's time for me to go inside, push the brake lights. Should be working. There you go. Did it come on? Did it come on? I don't think I pressed the brake light all the way because none of them came on. Okay, I'm not able to press the brake light because the pedal really got hard. Neither one of the lights are on, but let me start up the car. Let me start up the Jeep. And then I'll push the pedal. There you go. We got the bulbs on, all of them. And the other side is on as well. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.